All right. Okay. So what this is, we're just going to work some examples from section 1.1. So if we go over to my math lab, so these are sections, this is just some assignments that I just loaded just now. If I click on section 1.1 linear equations, you see it's 20 questions there. Okay. When I go to create your exam and things of that nature, quizzes, I'm going to pull it from these data sets. Okay. That's why I want to do this. So if we start with question 1. Now, the question about where this is in the book, do you see in the upper left-hand corner where it says 1.1.13? You know what that means? Uh-uh. What is it? That's where it is in the book, right? What chapter is this from? Number 1. What section in chapter 1? Section 1, and then what question out of the end of? So that 1.113 means it comes from chapter 1, section 1, question number 13 in the back of that section. So if you flip in the book, you should see the same example with different numbers. So basically, all I do is know what chapter and section you'll know where I homework is, and then just do every other. Yeah, but I'm going in like order. I'm going chronological order. So this is the first chapter, first section. Then the next is going to be 1, 2, 1, 3, so on and so on. Anybody want to? It says solve the equation. Anybody want to give this a go? Okay, come on. Have you gone today? Okay. So let's do this. We're gonna get a photo. We're gonna go to Notability, and we want to drop a copy of this. Is it? I'll look at it. Okay. So I know you might not be able to see it at home. I'll make it bigger. We'll just work it like that. Okay. So, but yeah, when you all start using the Axmind structure, this is what I'm going to load. I'm going to snap the photo just like this. I'm going to load this, and then all I'm going to do is record the screen with my audio, load it back to YouTube, and that's what's going to go. So she's rewriting the original. This looks good, and then it looks like she's using the distributed property. Every other odd. So every other odd. So it's like 1, skip 3, 5, skip 7, 11, skip every other odd. Because if I do every odd, I feel it's going to be a lot of work. So I'm trying to imagine. No. Because if you start with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 is not every other odd. Every other odd. Every other odd is a simple. I see where you're getting at. Because I see where you're getting at. But the best way I know how to teach that is every other odd. Yeah, section 1.1. So like this one is number 13. So if we look at 13, it's the same thing with different numbers. Oh, the same thing. Let me make the 11th edition. I think this is a newer edition. So this one should be linear equations. Is this linear? So yeah, I forgot the other different ones. But it's the same material, it's the same kind of information. You do need to be right. So this is the right page. Yeah, section 1.1. Yeah. So she has the idea, she distributed 7 times 3 is 21, 22, okay? A negative, okay, -2, okay. So I would agree with this line. This line looks good. The first line looks good what she did. Then she isolated her variables. So she brought the x's to the left, it looks like. And then she should bring her constants to the right. So then you add x is 22. Eventually she got her 9. She should subtract her 42. That's different. If you subtract the 10, that would be so 33. Negative 33. Here. So she has 22x equals a negative 33. You know what you do there?
No.
So it's going to be a fraction over negative 33. Divide both sides by 22. You can simplify that more. So that's
all
about
right.
I think it's about the best.
By
Yeah, what are these both divisible by?
11.
Okay. Negative 3 over 2. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So then we put that in the box. How do we know if that's correct?
I'll put it in.
Yeah. Let's plug it into the original. But let me want to walk you through a different technique. That was great. I'll give you an extra credit for that. What's the left hand? All right, so we have our third person that got extra credit today. Now to check this, I would do the following. I would check this in the following way. So we got a negative 3 by 2. I would use my calculator. This. You don't have to use a graphing calculator. But it is a great investment for college because you're going to have to take a few more math classes, and this is going to do all the things you needed to do. No, that's a normal thing to not be a balling college student. But now I'm going to check it in the following manner. I'm going to do this. So again, I'm going to say now if this negative 3 over 2 is correct, when we plug it into the original, it should make the left equal to the right. So I'm going to set it to 0 and then plug it in. When I plug it in, it should get 0. Let's see what happens. So now the left-hand side, we said is 7 times, I don't think I did that right. The left-hand side, the left-hand side is going to be 7 times 3x plus 6. That closes that off. And that closes off the left-hand side. Then I'm going to say minus the right-hand side. And this takes practice to do it this way. You don't have to do it this way. This is just what works for me. I'm going to say 11 minus, you got to find out what works for you. X plus 2. This closes off the right. Now, provided I type that in properly, I'm going to go to my variables. To the right, number 1. I want to plug in when x is a negative 3 by 2. If this is correct, when we plug in negative 3 by 2, what result should we get? 0. That's about the best we can do. So then over here, come on. Oh, please don't lock up on me. Oh, I forgot it does that. Oh, come on. Okay, hopefully, oh, come on. Is it time? Oh, okay, hang tight. Don't go anywhere, just hang on. I'm going to hit save. It's going to mark it wrong because I couldn't type it in. I'm just trying to keep the one that we were working on. Hang tight. Come on. Is this the same one? Okay. I'm going to try negative 3 by 2. Hopefully it's the same. So that means it was correct. So we showed our work properly. We had at least one way of checking it, and it checked out. So I went on and loaded this work into My Math Lab. It's a good idea to go through that, and you want to do the work on My Math Lab. I completely understand if you don't want to make those multiple accounts. You don't have to do that. If you're going to work out of the book, do every other odd out of section 1.1 linear equations. Make sure it's linear equations. Okay? All right? Otherwise, I will see you on Friday. Monday's a holiday. Okay? I would say anticipate exam 1 possibly next Wednesday. Okay? So just kind of be ready for that. All right. See you Friday. Have a good afternoon. Possibly exam 1 next Wednesday over chapter 1. But we'll... Yeah, section 1.1. We only did 1.1 today. So every other odd.